Hello everyone. This is your tarot reader and astrologer Shravanti here. So like I told you, in this series of videos I'm going to talk about certain stocks which have been listed the past 2 years and which have gone up tremendously, simultaneously those stocks which have gone down tremendously. So I want to give out facts and I want to give you information whether to invest on that particular stock or not. Okay, so like I told you, stock market is a very big ocean where people think it is the most easiest way to make money, and they also think that okay, without much hard work you can get into it and you can make and mint crores of rupees. But in reality it is a very volatile marketplace where it is highly mathematical combined with astrological timing, which can influence the market a lot. For example, everybody said the market will go down, will correct, and whenever somebody says no, this week the market is going to be low, if you see that week the market actually will peak 200 or 300 points, the Nifty will go up. So why is that? Why is that nobody is able to time the market? It is because it is not just a math, it is a combination of many factors. It is a combination of maths, it is a combination of economics, it is a combination of astrology, it is a combination of the people's horoscope also influencing the market. So like this, many things influence a market, so you cannot just take one or two parameters and say okay, this is why this stock went up. But here in this video we are only going to take the purely astrological part of why this particular stock went up. So thank you for watching this video, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the stock which is very famous, the Zomato stock, one of the largest food delivery companies in India, which got launched, the IPO got launched in July 23 of 2021. So Zomato stock actually is one of the very largest IPOs of that year, and many people anticipated that it is going to go up, but it was listed in the price 126 rupees, and right now if you just check the price of Zomato stock, it is somewhere around 60 to 65, 70 rupees. So why did this stock just fall half? And is this stock a good long-term investment? Astrologically I'm saying, is this stock a good long-term investment, and is it just a bad phase, like only certain years are going to be bad? Or is it that this entirely would be not a very good option to invest? Now if you know astrology you can look into the chart, but I will display the chart. It was launched in July 23rd 2021. So again it was launched on a Shukra Nakshatra, Purvashada. So it was launched in Simha Lagna. 4th house has Ketu, 5th house has Moon, 6th house has Saturn and Jupiter. The 10th house has Rahu, 11th house has Mercury and Sun, and the 12th house has Venus and Mars. If you just see this chart, you can, if you know the basics of astrology itself, you can clearly understand that the 10th lord is in the 12th house in this chart launch. So 10th lord and 12th house is not generally considered a very good factor when it comes to the performance of a particular stock. So the performance highly relies on the 10th lord of the chart, and certain times bad dasha bhukti, bad transit can influence the stock, but the basic fundamentals are wrong. That means that the stocks the base itself is not strong. So that is what it means. So the performance of the Zomato stock overall is not going to be very satisfying. So it is not going to be up to the mark, or it is not going to be a stock which is going to perform highly well and give you huge amount of returns. Now though you can see that it is running Shukra Dasha, Buddha Bhukti, the transit of all the planets will be in the 6, 8 and 12 houses in the coming 2.5 years. The Saturn transit is in the 6th house, the Jupiter transit is in the 8th house, and now when this transit will keep continuing, it will definitely show a negative result combined with the 10th lord being in the 12th house. But will this stock really go up in the long term? It will only have a fluctuating result. It is not going to go up multifold, like in the next 5 years it has given us 130% growth or 150% growth. No, that is not going to be the case. It will slowly rise, and due to certain trending things which happens, only there will be a rise. It's like a rigged stock. Because of certain newses, it can suddenly go up and suddenly come down. So this will not be a strong recommendation when it comes to IPOs. And for those who are looking on to investing in such a company, please think forward if you are going to do it as a long-term investment. So long-term investment is not at all advisable. So Zomato stock as such has a very negative fundamental base according to astrological analysis, and also according to the transit, the next 2.5 years or maybe next 1 year at least is going to be very, very difficult. So keep watching my videos, and in the next videos I'm going to talk to you about various stocks which got launched and about various other factors also in stock market. Thank you.